Hi everybody, this is Stacy in Japan and I am taking a walk on the Gully bank. Yes, I am at the back of my apartment. Yeah, that's my apartment building right there. And I was just looking through my window this morning. It's a very nice day. Spring is definitely coming now. And I saw some persons out here on the banking side picking stuff. At first it seemed to be like a grandmother and two grandkids. This is what they were picking. Tsukushi, something like that. And they are actually going to be eating this. But I think I've gone ahead of myself. So I waved nicely. The grandmother was busy picking, so only the little girl saw me and she waved and I stepped back. But I was very curious as to what they were doing. So after a while, okay, there's my local train passing. Woo! Can you see? Can you see? Oh. Yeah, the train track is right above my head. Yep. So, anyway, I closed my windows and I was busy doing other stuff inside. And then I opened my window again because it was like really nice. So now it's not cold or anything. And I saw a different set of persons picking. I'm like, what are they doing? What could they be doing? You know? So I decided this time that I was going to ask. So I said, excuse me, and I asked them if they could speak English. It seemed to be, I don't know, mother, daughter, or granddaughter combo. So the grandmother said, Bakaranai. And the granddaughter said, Skoshi, which means a little. So oh yeah, that's my apartment. You see the rope? Yep. So I decided that I wanted to see. I asked what they were picking and they were telling me, but it's in Japanese. So I decided I was going to come down and check it out for myself. And, you know, between Google Translate and a little Japanese skill and a little English skill here and there, we managed to find out what this thing is. So clearly it is some sort of vegetable matter. And they eat it with egg in some sort of way, but they tempura it first. So if you know anything about tempura, it's like a kind of flour based mixture thing. So it creates a coating for anything. You can tempura anything, any vegetable, meat, anything at all. So they are going to be tempura in these. So you add the thing and you fry it or whatever. And eating it. So I was very surprised. And so they were picking quite a bit of these, as well as the grandmother and the grandchildren earlier this morning. And I'm like so amazed. And this only comes about, they said, for April and May. After that time, you won't see any. So clearly they were gleaning this banking. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. Thanks for joining me. This was a bit impromptu. Not really kind of prepared for this, but hey. Walk on the Gully bank with Stacy in Japan. Peace. I'm going to have a few more walks because this is right behind my apartment.